What is up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. A new Dagon gem has landed on Solana and it's already making some serious noise. PLUMBUS is the interdimensional meme coin for true Rick and Morty fans, but honestly, it's for everyone because who does not need a PLUMBUS? Liquidity is burned, the community is ignited, and the marketing is moving fast. As you can see, guys, the multiverse is not ready for what's coming, so be sure to watch until the end. Welcome back, guys. Alright, as you can see, PLUMBUS is still fresh, only a couple of months old, but it already built a story the whole multiverse is watching. What started as nothing has already blasted to a 6 million all-time high, with supply mechanics playing out exactly how early Dagons want to see them. A full 9% of tokens have already been burned, 14 is still locked in staking rewards, and 0 taxes keep the trading flow clean. The allocation is also very clear because 66% is available for sale, 25% is set aside for staking, and we also have the burned portion that is proving the team is more than serious. On top of that, partnerships are forming, the community is glued together, and you can see it in the way the chart reacts because every dip has been met with strong buy pressure. Already listed on 3 central exchanges plus OKX DEX, with more listings on the horizon, and the liquidity is definitely spreading wider and adoption is speeding up. The marketing push is relentless, PLUMBUS keeps trending across literally all socials, and that kind of visibility is exactly what fuels the next leg up. As I said, guys, on the chart you can clearly see how PLUMBUS exploded from its early quiet days into a breakout that pushed it to a big peak before cooling off. Right now the price has settled lower and is holding steady, which often sets the stage for the next wave when new buyers come in. As you can see, trading activity is healthy with consistent buys and sells literally every day, which is showing that the community is more than alive and moving coins around. The holder count is still very small compared to where it can go, which means that all early investors are basically at the ground floor before wider adoption hits. Add in the fact that supply has already been reduced through burns and the staking rewards are locked, and we are looking at a setup where demand can quickly outweigh what's available on the market. And if marketing keeps trending and new listings roll out, this chart literally has all the signs of building energy for another push upward as October plays out. But guys, momentum on the chart means literally nothing without a strong foundation, and that is exactly what PLUMBUS has been building. From day one, the mission has been to spark a movement on Solana with branding, staking, listings, and partnerships that all make this project stand out. Even when the market hit a rough patch and the original developers sold during a dip, causing a crash, the community came together stronger and proving the resilience of true Dagon culture. With a quarter of the supply locked up in staking rewards and an APY that is pulling literally huge attention right now, the tokenomics are designed to reward long-term believers while tightening circulating supply. On top of that, being verified on SoulScan and Jupiter brings extra trust, and listings on BTrue Alpha, GrooveX, and BlindX are already expanding liquidity across multiple markets. Besides this, partnerships are also giving PLUMBUS a serious edge because through Meme Arena, it's actually featured as a playable character in the meme game called Meme Mayhem. This is putting the brand directly into the world of gaming, which is a major plus for wide adoption. At the same time, the creator AI bot inside Telegram lets the community instantly generate custom memes, which is turning your ideas into content and then spreading PLUMBUS culture across the internet at light speed. The chart already shows us resilience after setbacks, and with this kind of growth engine behind it, the setup going forward is stacked with catalysts that early investors will not want to miss. Smash that like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you do not miss the next run. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.